your name?
Help me.
Help me, Chela.
Her name is.
What's your name?
My name is Listen to me, Shalla.
Listen to me, Sila.
Listen to me.
Tyrshang is a small little village in the west Jaintia Hills. But what's really special about it is the fact that all these families, they indulge in the art of black pottery.
Man gi patenyi no wa naga be hari kon dan naga nin ruwa man kon man yo kon go ka da patenyi ga ta yo ye ba sa ho we are worried.
I'm breaking the small particles of these hard objects.
Okay.
Why do you mix this?
This is for hard and the clay. Yeah. Next step is to collect this and put it in a roll and start to molding it. Cut this and put it in a mold.
the mold.
Yeah.
Our aim is to make a glass. It is good. No. Oh, this one is not. Making pottery, I think, has taught me the patience and also a lesson that you can't expect perfection in everything, and there's always learning.
Who did you learn this from?
ก็อยากได้ก็ดีกว่าได้ปุ่นปะปุ่นก็ดีกว่าอย่าง
แต่การคิดกันนี่จะทับก็ฮะมีเวลาเฉพาะลอนดอนเฉพาะญี่ปุ่น
ว่าทีวีก็ได้เอาพี่กับนี่เป็นวิยะก็เป็นอีฮัดโดว่าอีว่าทีวีวิยะก็เป็น
The end products were as finished as something that comes out of a machine.
I think there was a sense of pride in their entire process of building this, if I can put it that way, because it allowed them to kind of, preserve something that has been there since their forefathers.